All right, so this is what my hair looks like naturally when I don't do anything to it. I washed it last night and went to bed, so this is what my hair looks like. Ugh. It's Mufasa. So anyways, today it's raining and I just wanted to show you a really quick braid that I do when it's crappy outside or my hair looks like this, because I'm not rewashing my hair and blow drying it. That takes like 45 minutes, so I'm not doing that. So I'm just gonna do a quick, easy Dutch braid on one side of my head, and I just wanted to kind of just get ready with you this morning and show you. So it'll be just a quick video on what I do when my hair looks like Mufasa quickly. So, all right, so all you need is, obviously you need to brush your hair. And then I've just got some clear elastics to tie it off. And if you have a lot of layers, you may need some bobby pins. Or if your hair is really fine and soft and healthy, unlike mine, you might need some dry shampoo or some kind of texturizing product. I use dry shampoo. I love dry shampoo for braids, especially in the salon when we do like updos, or even for my hair if it's super clean and I need some grit, I'll put some dry shampoo in it. Or I also have this Arojo healing oil. Okay guys, this stuff is freaking amazing. You have to get it, only so many people carry it, and you've got to get it like through the distributor, but it's amazing for damaged hair. It's got UV protection, so like sunscreen for your hair, but a little bit goes a long way. So you only spray like a teeny bit and it helps calm your hair so much. It's amazing, but very concentrated, very potent. But this is good too if your hair's really clean, and kind of just add some texture in there. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started and show you my braid. And if you don't know how to do a Dutch braid, it's pretty simple. You do a French braid, but instead of going over, you take it under. So I will go ahead and show you, and you can part your hair however you want. I'm just working off my natural part, and I will, bear with me because I'm doing this video in my phone so that I could show you a quick video on how to do it. So if I'm looking funny, it's because I'm looking at my phone while braiding, because I'm not one of those people that can braid and not look. I have to look at what I'm doing. So you take 3 sections, take it under, and then I may be able to do it without looking. Take another section and pull it in. I'll kind of move so you can see. Don't mind my squeaky bench that I'm sitting on. The kids have like jumped all over it, and it's not as wonderful as it once was. So I'm just picking up like you would French braiding and pulling in here. And I'm taking pretty big sections because I'm just getting it in there. So, and then when I get around here, because I'm not going to be braiding this side, I just kind of pull it around and then kind of grab a big section and put it in there. Sorry for this video, it's not that great quality, but I just want to show you quick what I do. Oh, here Killian! There's the baby! He's wanting to watch mommy get ready. So again, taking big sections just to get it in there and make it thick, so that when we kind of pull it apart a little bit, I don't pull mine too much because my hair is so thick that it doesn't need a whole lot of help looking thicker. So, and then once you get down here, you just braid it like a normal 3-strand braid. And I put leave-in conditioner in my hair last night. Hey, don't you touch it. You're gonna make it blur. Here, you wanna sit on my lap? Ooh, there. There's Killian. So, anyways, I put stuff in my hair last night, so it's not like super slick, which it's not normally anyway, because... Hey, give me that. I don't know what he's saying. Now he's gonna make it all wobbly. Oh, there we go. Alright, so once you get to the end, you get your clear elastic, you tie it off. What's mommy got? Alright, And then you can take it and start at the bottom and just gently pull it apart. And this, I'm not like super pancaking it. I'm just pulling it a little bit, just so it looks a little more lived in. And I'm doing it. See, this is how I get ready with kids on me. So you can pull it apart as much or as little as you want to. And then see, like right here where it's a little looser, sometimes if I pull it more, it kind of helps fix that. Kind of see. And then if you need to, you can take it and take a bobby pin. And then I'm gonna just kind of pull all these little hairs. And then take your bobby pin, rigid side down. And then I'm just gonna kind of tuck it in there to help give it a little more hold. My kids are fighting. I don't know if you can hear that or not, over a bubble bopper. Alright, so that is it, guys. That didn't take long at all. It took more time for me to run my mouth and tell you what I was gonna do beforehand. So this is what I do when my hair looks like Mufasa and it's crazy and I just want to get it pulled up real quick and get out the door. So I hope you like this video, guys. Sorry that it's not so beautiful and put together, but I just wanted to show you the quick video, and that's all I got for you today. Have a blessed day. I love you all. Be nice to one another, and I'll see you soon.